Okay, hello everybody, I'm back and welcome to the GAO askdrkim channel. So this time I'm going to share our implant case, actually 3 implant scan with 2 scan bodies, and this is actually was a first metal framework printing case for me. Okay, so 57 years male patient who using the upper denture with 2 magnets with the implants, and the lower patient will lose number 44 as well, and missing some teeth on the left lower side. So I decided and placed I placed 3 implant on number 44, 45 and 47. So I'm going to make a single implant supported crown and 3 unifixed partial denture for the number 45 to 47. So by the time I waited a while and it's time to make impression, so I decided to scan instead of making impression. But this time I used 2 scan body instead of 3. Okay, so this is my scan strategy. So I'll put number 44 and 45. I'll scan this area first. Then I'm gonna remove from number 44 and connect to number 47. So number 44 to 47. So after this, I'm gonna start scan again from the number 45 to 47. So let's check it out. So for upper arch scan, since patient is using the denture, so I simply grab the intraoral scanner and denture together and make a scan on the extraorally. Then I start the lower scan, so-called soft tissue scan. This is encoded 8 times faster. So after lower arch scan, I scan the bite scan for the right side first and left side. So this is the interesting part. Now I'm starting scan body scan. So 44 and 45. So after I finish number 44 and number 45, I'm removing scan body from number 44 and I'm gonna move to 47. Okay, so I'm removing number 44 scan body from the implant. Then I'm connecting to number 40, connecting to the number 47. Okay, so now I scan again, starting from number 45, because if my camera, my intraoral scanner goes to 44, then it's gonna be changed, right? So I'm focusing on number 45 to 47. So this is, as you see here, this is number 45 scan body. I'm changing the direction, angulation of intraoral scanner. Okay, so I got number 47, right? So after I scanned, this is upper arch, lower arch, with the scan body. So I sent the case to the lab technician, Mr. GAO, one of my favorite and excellent dental technician, and he designed the custom abutment like this. And also he designed the 4 contour crown and bridges, and he made a cutback on the virtual model. Actually he used the ExoCAD software, And as you see here, it's a single crown and 3-unit fixed partial denture framework. And instead of milling the wax pattern for casting, and we decide to go for the 3D printing. So actual 3D printing, metal printing. Okay, and this is the metal framework that printed by my lab technician. Okay, since this was my first trial of printed metal framework for the patient, so I wanted to try in patient mouth. So I tried in and I made a pickup impression for this case. We can use the printed abutment model for porcelain buildup, but this patient was on my chair, so I decided to make pickup impression. So my in-house lab technician did the porcelain buildup like this, and I tried in, adjusted, and cemented. Okay, sorry for the scratches on my mirror. I think it's time to change new ones. Okay, so this is final radiograph, final panoramic radiograph, number 44, 45 to 47, 3-unit. Okay, and until I made the framework, I can call this is kind of modelless digital workflow. But I finished with the pickup model. So this is, at the end, it became digilog workflow instead of digital workflow. Okay, how do you like it? Thank you for watching, and I'm thinking to come back soon. Bye-bye.